So yesterday I went out for a ride to go see a movie and stopped at a gas station, and then my Bonneville street cup would not start back up. So I would turn over, click over, turn over, and it became almost immediately clear that it was the battery. And then I remembered that I've had this bike since 2017, which makes that battery about 7 years old.
Kind of a no-brainer.
So here's a quick guide on how to replace the battery on a Triumph Street Cup or Street Twin, which is very similar. So this is the ECU. It is held by 1 bolt. You want to move that kind of like out of the way so that you can get to the actual battery, which you can see sitting right here. This is the USB port. You can unclip that as well. You can lift up this really kind of heavy battery. Jesus. And there you go. And if you're wondering what battery to use, this is the battery. I'm using a different battery, but this is the battery that you need. Okay, so the battery is in. Remember, when disconnecting the battery, negative disconnect first, positive second. When reconnecting the battery, it is the opposite. Positive first, negative second. Make sure to reconnect everything you disconnected and then replace the ECU back to where it was. Okay, everything should be in its right place. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.